What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can send and receive money using your Airtel mobile application. So if that sounds interesting, without wasting much of your time, let's hop straight into the video. So I'm going to launch my Airtel mobile application. Okay, so in order for me to sign in, I'm going to click on where it's saying Airtel Money. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like. So where you want to click from here is where it's saying send. Sending and receiving money using Airtel Mobile is quite a simple and straightforward process. So firstly, I'm going to show you on how you can send money, and then lastly, I'm going to show you on how you can receive money. So how you send money is after you click on send money, you're going to be brought to this display that we are seeing right now. So where you want to click now is where it's saying enter recipient number. So this is the phone number of the person receiving this amount of money we're about to send. So let's say for instance it's 097. So that's just an example and it has brought you the name. So if you're okay with the number that you've put and the name is correct too, all you do now is simply click on where it's saying enter amount. So let's say the amount that we want to send this account is a 3,600, which is approximately $200 US. So if you're okay with all that breakdown, all you do now is simply click on where it's saying proceed. And then if you want, before you click on proceed, you can also enter a comment on what the money is intended for. So for instance, I want him to buy a phone. So if you're okay with all that, all you do now is click on where it's saying proceed. And then you'll be brought to the final breakdown of the transaction you're about to initiate. As you can see, the convenience fee or the charge that you're going to face for a transaction to be successful is a 3 kwacha. The amount that we are sending is a 3,600. The name of the recipient is Daniel, and then the recipient number is that one. So if you're okay with all of that, all you do now is simply click on proceed. So that's basically it on how you can send money. And then on how you can receive money, all you need to do is have an active Airtel mobile account, and then you need to have a phone number attached to it that you're going to send to the person who's about to send you money into your Airtel. So you need to send them the phone number that they're going to use to send money, and additionally you need to send them the account name. So let's say for instance the account name is Greenford Kapea. So I'll send them that name and I'll send them the phone number as well that's attached to Greenford Kapea Airtel mobile account. And then within a short space of time, if they've sent, I'm going to receive an SMS telling me that I've received a certain amount of money. So if I want, I can confirm by checking my balance and see what's appearing on the SMS is what's in my account balance. So that's simply how you can receive money using Airtel Mobile. So thank you so much for sticking out this far. If you've learned one or two things on how you can send and receive money using your Airtel mobile application, I'll be really glad if you gave this video a thumbs up, and stay safe. I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.